We got iPhone 17, broken screen. Let's get started. First thing first, these two screws. I gotta use a heating pad, heat this up so it's easy to take it out. You can see the screen is actually good. It's only the digitizer that's broken, the LCD is still good. So I'm gonna heat it up, try to take it out without breaking it. So I have heated it up a little bit. You're gonna use a razor blade. So we gotta take these two plates out. I'm gonna take this out. Replacement screen here. Let's get rid of the rest. Test it out. Looks good. Be gentle with these screens because they can break very easily. Let's finish it up with that. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching.